Hi, welcome to this week's Caravan. I think I just fell in love. 2044 North Avenue 52. Wow, they said it was a Spanish charmer, and it is that. It is 1,254 square feet, 2 bedroom, 1 bath. It is like a hacienda ranch style where all the rooms kind of go around. There's kind of spacious backyard area with a fountain in the middle. Great kitchen, dining area, little breakfast nook. And I love that you kind of take a few steps up down a hallway where you have the 2 bedrooms and the 1 big bath. Good sized bedrooms, big closets, and there's also like a little room for like an office area on one of the little rooms there in the hallway. So I like how that's kind of separate from the house. Really, really charming. I love everything about this place. Listed at $889 with Jeffrey Sachs of Coldwell Banker. Off to the next one. All right, the second house took me out of Highland Park because I needed to go check out a house for a client. This is at 3211 Waverly Drive in Los Feliz. I feel like I just stepped back into 1922. So much charm and historical details, architectural details. This is a 2-story English Tudor built in 1922, 2,600 square feet on nearly an acre of land, which is pretty unheard of. Some things that are really special about this place is there's a huge pool, and it's newer, so it's in really good shape. And there's an attached 2-car garage. It's like a carriage house because there are quarters, guest quarters upstairs. It's got a little bath and all that. So that could be updated, and you could either rent that out, be Airbnb, or rent it out for additional income, or just have it for people to come stay. Really super cool. The house itself has so many great details. 12-foot ceilings in the living room, huge fireplace, wood burning. It's just so interesting, and for the right buyer, this is going to be such a gem to bring back to its glory. It's not in bad shape now, but it does need some updating. The floors could use being done, that sort of thing. But wow, I love it. Again, it's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, listed at $1,798,800 with Rebecca Chen of Delbeck Real Estate. All right, hope you like it. Bye-bye.